Mama Akwaba, wafre me Adwa searching Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell no so for more news.
Is to promise one another and to promise John Mahama that we, fellow comrades, the reality we are faced with today is that our politics has become so monetized that these people believe that everybody can be bought at a price, and we have to prove them wrong. We have to tell them enough is enough. Chomoi!
Hold it there. Is it not a incident? Is it not a Evanuka? Oh, Papa, bed do me out, Papa. Hey! What's it then? Senator? Nipanka also when him brain is super. And John Dramani Mahama. So, oh, Papa, microphone, or you zoom on fire before no any she. Or you zoom basa. Senator, so when you brea, ma when you bring Mahama, Mina me fi say, at least, we are Ibeni, enti, ubenya sa tima, enibi, Emma woman, Emma uncrofo, before. Be akoye say, dear Mahama kanu, ebiakaw, pe. Ma wenimbre, nepri ade, Emma uncrofo. When you bring I bring mum, go wrong side, ya. Na yem binum ye dwise zina tonu wo kaya chusu o mas running meter and kaya papa hwe de uka hwe asem a uka se na se wo papa etiase a aka obetimi edu ni fie o aka obenya nkwa wallahi e kanu kura chiro sinato dwine sen dwibium na Mahama asem a oka se Ghanaians have a short memory, and I say Ghana for dreams so ano. A bianca. Hey, let me say, me nim klasa beni bekawe. Me nim klasa beni bekawe. Enti uba che say, so papa etiasi. Na Mahama ko. Kolanchi ni Kampe our central region because of that roadside old lady with lies, grammar, and dabe. Minimo onunti uzina to ayefi se upapa moja wo mu upapa nyansa bi wo timu umu hwede o tutu papa so eye hwede wo ye hwe ma okika hwede okika fili ma vota kura fili say we NDC ni before everything the Odyssey na ma nyina no aka so bi wa dwem na kasam bi na nto Mahama tim no hu say aigbefuo no ontimi nyuzu ye en dompi anyhow Zinato kon nesa blabium if you say the wakano eye musu minim se kakra wo tim se na wokura de wabon changes if oni nyina the trend na kono hu se Mahama ni sa kwancha brewan trofo no grammar ene da be minim de omo ye yi mu efiri mu baako bona agbefo ni nasa you go back to NDC and see say agbefo anyi ene da mu ye NDC mu executive program agbefo anyi na wo ufiri ho ne ba Mahama ni office o If you say before him anyway. Think. O papa amfa santity. O papa o nyansa kakra bi a enyi ekura odi kakra bi jam. Amudi beye bibia agbefo hu say omudi hie no. Se owukura ni manu betimi ya kakra. Ebu umutimi nye ni abo na so say mutimi ya kakra anka beboa. Dwin. Da sumie so na dwin. Wabeye MP for so long. We dream say o papa e wo kuro bi o baby a obekwa o di block back obekwa akwose o. Dream zinato ezianeto putam na butam na glonyare no no suriji no nka na kponyare na glondo kuyo. Ne fufuru la ba do nu tuge klu ntonto kle enya fodi man vaglo ine kpobe du koyo o borenu ha le boto denda le hama un tonto nya kake wa ba de makawene do selfish interest ni dinelando do kuota ye de kaya nyota mata blonya te pana ma bedi motu abrewa imako vako henya la pa nyonu ma vako ne dira no akoyi direct po alo akwamere chu vota wakwamere chu gbegbe gbaji wa demia ji o onu fo domanam dokutuye zinato putame nana ma fufo we ya ogbona tugo fufu do pena no ji dari afijo vlinana wanye to ababa gbe vijiji ene eya gbo mi le mi akata ko na ndisi e ma jeji apon labana party ya enye ndisi ya o tweku we o fle gbe to hefe no matter how onye yoto e de ma wonele pe glenela podu kujuni trop e pe yam do no be enough is enough. Voters are no more going to vote for NDC again because we have tried them so many times and now they rejected us. So voters, we say never again we will vote for NDC and John Dramani Mahama. How? Mahama, my message to you this afternoon is to check and drop that old liar, the lady you went and pick because of threats. Because of threats that they give you, you went and pick. What is he, Jane, whatever they call her. Mama, drop that old lady, Madam Liar, and come for an Evoterian running mate. If not so, count us out. We are not going to vote for you and your NDC anymore.